Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with a new inspired makeup look. And before that, if you are new here, hi, I'm Seema and today's makeup look will be inspired from Lory Harvey makeup, and this is so simple makeup look. And if you want to know how I created, then keep on watching. Okay, starting with filling my eyebrow, I'm using Music Flower eyebrow powder with the help of angular brush. Starting with center of my brow to filling it toward the tail, then moving it toward initial part of my eyebrow. Lory in her look wear a fluffy feathery kind of eyebrow, so I'm not going crazy with the eyebrow for a precise eyebrow look. I'm going to make that fluffy appearance to my eyebrow, so not filling too much. I already applied orange color corrector before filling my eyebrow because I want it to get set. When I blend it to my skin, it gives full coverage to cover all my hyperpigmentation and dark spots, so that I can get a flawless base after that when I apply foundation. And actually I lost few of the initial clip where I applied moisturizer and primer for my skin prep, and after that I applied the orange color corrector to set a moment for a few while. Then I filled the eyebrow, which you already saw. Moving forward, I apply concealer over my eyelid from Maybelline in shade Deep. Applying with a flat concealer brush, I'm giving shape to the eyebrow as well as blending it over my eyelid, and quickly blend it with a damp beauty blender to get even base. And after that I set the concealer with a white shadow with a big fluffy brush. After that I picked a grey eyeshadow which has a blue tone, packing it with the small fluffy brush on my lid. This way you get more color payoff and don't go above your crease line or a contour area. Next, picking up this orangey kind of eyeshadow as a transition shade, I applied it above my crease line. Merge both the shadows so well that there should not be any harsh line. Giving circular and back forth motion, you can blend the eyeshadow. Next, using a Kohl pencil from Wet n Wild, I create a liner from it close to my lash line. And then smudging that eyeliner with a small flat brush to get soft eyeliner look. Give gentle pressure while smudging the eyeliner, and you can add intensity by adding black shadow. Feathering out outer edge of my eyeshadow toward my tail of eyebrow to give more elongated eye look. Using my finger, I'm dotting foundation all over my face, then blending it with a damp beauty blender. This way I prevent my foundation for wastage by soaking up lot of product by a damp beauty blender, and this way you can get a flawless base with a light coverage, not heavy coverage, so that you don't feel that you have lots of layer on your face. For a flawless base, you should always dab your foundation or press your foundation onto your skin to get a seamless finish. And this way you can also prevent the orange color corrector which you applied prior to the foundation will not mix up with your foundation, otherwise your foundation get orangey or shade darker than your skin tone. So always apply foundation in a dabbing motion or a pressing motion. Now for brightening up my under eye, using same concealer from Maybelline in shade Deep, I'm applying under my eyes and also applying outer edge of my eyelid to carve up the eyeshadow, and also brightening up toward my temple or area to give more forward appearance to my face. Then to my forehead, nose bridge, cupid bow, and above my jawline to give a brightness to my face and the area which I want to give forward appearance. Same technique, dab 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 or press 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 to blend all the concealer seamlessly on my face. Be careful while blending the concealer toward outer edge of eye. You just need to carve up the eyeshadow, lifting it out toward your upward direction. Setting that concealer with the pressed lighting palette from LA Girl Contour and Highlight palette. Only slightly sweeping that powder to set my concealer where I tend to get oily and also to prevent it from creasing. Using same contour and highlight palette from LA Girl, I'm going to contour my face softly because she doesn't wear a sharp contour for her makeup. So I'm going to get a contour softly with this with a flat angular contouring brush. Softly contouring my nose as well with the same brush. To get a sharp jawline, contouring my jaw and bringing that contour toward my neck area to get more sharp and forward looking face. For giving soft flush to my skin, mixing these two shades and using a big fluffy brush to get a soft effect of blush. For highlighting my face, using this shade from Makeup Revolution with the help of big fan brush. This will give you a subtle glow to your face. Now applying brown Kohl pencil to my lower waterline. Picking the same shadow which I use for my eyelid with the pencil brush and smudging that on my lower waterline to give a drop shadow effect and connecting it to the shadow which I apply above my lid. Prepping my lashes with a curler. For mascara and falsies, this will help the falsies and my lashes to merge together. And also applying good coat of mascara to my lower lashes, and this finishes my eye look. And for the lip, I'm lining my lip with the brown lip liner from Swiss Beauty in shade Dark Chocolate and filling my lip with the nude lipstick from Makeup Revolution in shade Wow. For highlighting my inner corner, using this highlighter to brightening up my inner corner of eye. And this completes my look. Hope you like this tutorial and find helpful. If you do so, please give a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And thanks for watching.